How is it going everybody, Mr. Android here. Welcome back to a brand new video on this channel. Well, Samsung has finally started rolling out the much awaited stable One UI 7 update based on Android 15 to the older flagship devices. That means if you're using the Galaxy S24, S24 Plus or the S24 Ultra, you can now upgrade to the latest software version and get all those exciting new features on your Samsung phone. Right now, at the time of making this video, the update has started to roll out for the users in South Korea. Though the One UI 7 is already available in 7 countries as a part of the beta program, however, the stable version is currently available only for the South Korean users. But Samsung has planned to expand the update to more countries in the coming days. So if you own any of the Galaxy S24 series of devices and you are in the United States, then expect the update to arrive on April 10th. And users in Canada might get the update on the following day, which is on April 11th. So most probably, we'll get the One UI 7 update around 8th to 12th of April. So if you are in the Asian region like Malaysia or India, you can expect the update to arrive between these days. Apart from the Galaxy S24 devices, in April, we are getting the update for some more Galaxy phones like the Galaxy Z Fold 6, Z Flip 6, Z Fold 5, Z Flip 5, Galaxy S23, S23 Plus, S23 Ultra and the Galaxy S24 FE. So if you own any of these devices, you can expect the update to arrive in the month of April. You might not get the update as early as the Galaxy S24, but by the end of this month, Samsung has promised to roll out the One UI 7 update for these Samsung phones. Now in the month of May, we can expect the update on phones like the Galaxy Z Fold 4, Z Flip 4, Tab S9, S9 Plus, S9 Ultra, Galaxy S24 FE, Galaxy S23 FE, Z Fold 3, Z Flip 3, Galaxy A34, A35, S22, S22 Plus, S22 Ultra, S21, S21 Plus, S21 Ultra and for the Tab S8 series as well. These devices will be getting the One UI 7 stable update in the month of May. So if you own any of these devices, then you will be getting the update in the next month. Finally, in the month of June, we have got phones like the Galaxy A53, A33, A25, A24, A15, Tab A9 series and the Tab S9 FE and the FE Plus. Now just keep in mind that this timeline is for Korea and not for all the countries, but we can expect that the update should arrive in a similar time frame. So if you have any of these Samsung devices, then you will most probably get the One UI 7 update really soon. Now coming to the Galaxy S24 and the Z Fold 6, users in South Korea have already received the update and even some users in Germany have also reported receiving the One UI 7 update on their phones. But if you're in other countries like the US, UK, Canada, India or other Asian region, hopefully you'll be getting the update in the next few days. So just go into your phone settings, software update and keep checking whether you have got the update or not. I'll keep you posted as soon as we get the update and we'll be making a lot of videos on One UI 7, so stay tuned for that. And that's pretty much it for this video. Since I have been getting a lot of questions regarding the One UI 7 update, I thought why not go ahead and make a quick video on this. If you guys like this video, then be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I'm Mr. Android and I will see you guys in the next one.